How to remove bad odor from shoes. Bad odor in shoes is a very common problem. It usually happens when sweat from the feet mixes with bacteria inside the shoe. When your feet sweat, moisture builds up inside the shoe and bacteria begin to grow. These bacteria break down the sweat and dead skin cells on your feet, and this process produces the unpleasant smell that many people notice when they remove their shoes. The good news is that shoe odor can be removed and prevented with simple steps if you understand the causes and treat the shoes properly. The first and most important step in removing bad odor from shoes is drying the shoes completely. Moisture is the main reason bacteria grow inside shoes. If shoes stay damp after use, the smell will quickly return. After wearing your shoes, place them in a well-ventilated area and allow air to circulate inside them. You can remove the insoles and leave them outside the shoe so that both the shoe and the insole dry properly. Never keep sweaty shoes inside a closed bag or locker because this traps moisture and worsens the odor. Another effective method is using baking soda. Baking soda is known for its ability to absorb moisture and neutralize odors. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside each shoe and leave it overnight. During this time, the baking soda will absorb the moisture and reduce the smell. In the morning, shake the shoes gently to remove the powder. Doing this regularly can significantly reduce shoe odor. You can also use sunlight to eliminate bacteria. Sunlight naturally kills many types of bacteria that cause odor. Leaving your shoes outside in direct sunlight for a few hours can help dry them and reduce the smell. The heat and ultraviolet rays from the sun make the inside of the shoe less suitable for bacterial growth. Another useful technique is washing removable insoles and laces. Insoles often absorb sweat more than the rest of the shoe. If the insoles are removable, take them out and wash them with mild soap and water. Allow them to dry completely before placing them back in the shoe. Clean laces can also make the shoes smell fresher. Using foot hygiene practices is also very important in preventing shoe odor. If your feet are not clean, the bacteria will quickly return even if the shoes are treated. Washing your feet daily with soap and water helps remove bacteria and sweat. Dry your feet carefully, especially between the toes, because moisture trapped between the toes encourages bacterial growth. Another helpful step is wearing clean socks. Socks absorb sweat before it reaches the shoe. If you wear the same socks for too long, or if the socks are made from materials that trap moisture, the odor can quickly develop. Choosing breathable socks made from cotton or moisture-absorbing materials can reduce the amount of sweat inside the shoe. Some people also use shoe deodorizing sprays or antibacterial powders. These products are designed to kill bacteria and reduce odor inside footwear. While they can help, they work best when combined with good drying and hygiene practices. Rotating your shoes is another practical solution. If you wear the same pair every day, the shoes do not have enough time to dry properly. Having 2 or more pairs and alternating them allows each pair to dry completely before the next use. This simple habit can greatly reduce the development of bad odor. In more severe cases where odor remains even after cleaning, washing the entire shoe may be necessary. Many fabric shoes can be washed gently with mild detergent and water. After washing, they must be dried thoroughly before wearing again. In conclusion, bad odor in shoes is mainly caused by moisture and bacteria. The most effective ways to remove the smell include drying shoes properly, using baking soda, exposing shoes to sunlight, washing insoles, maintaining good foot hygiene, wearing clean socks, and rotating shoes regularly. When these simple habits are practiced consistently, shoes remain fresh, comfortable, and free from unpleasant odor.